Oreo, I'll see you in a little while, okay, buddy? Give me about an hour. Okay, I'll be back. Give me your paw. Good boy. Alright, I'll see you later.
Lester.
Alright, hello YouTube. I'm actually on my way to go buy some audio monitors. If you don't know what those are, it's just basically something to listen to audio clearer than your computer speakers, basically. So just a set of computer speakers that's a little bit better than normal things. But yeah, I'm gonna go find a receiver and some bookshelf speakers, and we'll be good. Maybe just an amp. I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, so right now it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. It's actually pretty busy outside. I don't know why. There's a ton of people out. But I'm going to the MTR, and from the MTR go to SSP, and then see what I can find. It's windy too. I think a typhoon is coming. We'll see. So I'm going from here to here. It's easy to take a bus to here, but it's actually cheaper if you just come down to the MTR station. But the bus actually has a view. But yeah.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Got the polarizing filter so you can see me. There you go. Let's twist this. Ooh, now I can see straight through it. It's weird, right? A lot of people today. Right, you can't film yourself in here, so I'm gonna turn it off, right? Made it, and I'm trying to find a amplifier with at least 25 watts or above, because if it doesn't, most speakers and most cones cannot move enough for anything to be effective, so I might as well just buy a regular set of computer speakers. So by me doing this, it's actually better if I buy the actual good stuff. So that's what I'm out here to do today. Buy the good stuff. They have it cheaper out here, so I might as well come out here. Jeez, that's a lot of stairs. Every time I come out here, it's raining. I mean, I can never get any good shopping done because it's always raining. I can never like actually just look for a minute, you know? It's raining. Okay, let me see what kind of stuff I can find. Okay guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye-bye. Alright, so I bought a two-channel 220 watt amplifier. Be honest, at 4 ohms, I think you're gonna maybe hit about 35 watts out of those speakers, to be honest, from the size of that amp. But we'll see what we can squeeze out of it. So I really have to look for some good bookshelf speakers. And here's a full audio store right here. It's a pretty big audio store. They won't let me film in here, so I gotta look by myself. Alright guys? Uh-oh. Okay, so that was way more expensive than what I actually thought. They had brands that I've never even seen before. So I'm gonna look into all these audio shops and see what I can find. Alright? Well, every place has a lot of stuff. It's just actually getting some stuff that I can afford, because they have very, very high-end things here. I mean, that's 24,000 Hong Kong dollars. 24,000 Hong Kong dollars, that's a lot of money, man. So, we'll see what we can get. Woo! Bass is getting down. Car audio shop. Go across the street. There's an audio shop over here. Crossing the street. Let's see what they got. See, they have a lot of cones. It's pretty good. So, you can build your own passive radiators and things like that. So they have every size. Like they have from basically Bluetooth speaker size all the way to some 10s down here. So that's pretty cool actually. They have ports, cones, they have voice coils, they have everything in here. Even have soundproofing. Everything you could ever need, they have it here. It's amazing. So I found a place with the crossovers and compressors still left in. They have their own tweeters and everything. That's what I'm looking for. Excuse me. But yeah, have their own all this stuff. There's so much stuff. Too bad I don't have enough tools to actually make my own enclosures and stuff, so I have to buy my own fully assembled things. But once I get a bigger place, then I'll be able to do all of this stuff. It's okay. Wow. They have everything I could ever imagine. I wish this place was in the States. Man, car audio guys would be in love. They could get a crossover from in here and put it inside their car audio stuff. Cheap. Amazing, man. I love it here. Alright, so I haven't found any worth my money. There's this guy out here that sells some stuff, and hopefully I can get something from him. He has a lot of stuff. Last time I was out here. Yeah. So let's see if I can get something from him. Ooh, loud. Okay, so I found everything that I needed, and time to go home. I am so tired. It's gonna start raining out here as well, so I gotta hurry up and get home. So, should be good.